Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring Google Assistant is active and you're signed into your Google account. This gives you access to voice personalization. Once done, enable voice match so Assistant recognizes your voice and becomes responsive hands-free. Next, set Google as your default Assistant app in the phone's app settings to intercept the home or voice button. Finally, install or switch the TTS voice to a calm, Siri-like voice pack. This changes tone and cadence immediately. Now customize how Assistant talks and acts so it feels more like Siri. Open Assistant settings and change the Assistant's nickname, speech rate, and selected voice to a warmer tone. This alters perceived personality. Then build routines. Create short commands that run multiple actions using phrases that mimic Siri's style. Make sure to map your phone's power or home button to launch Assistant for single-press access. These steps shape behavior and make interactions faster, more natural, and consistent. Finish by testing end-to-end. Ask for calls, messages, reminders, and smart home control to confirm responses match your expectations. Tweak voice speed and verbosity to reduce robotic pauses and adjust routines delays so actions happen in the right order. If things go wrong, clear the Assistant app cache, retrain voice match, and verify Assistant is still set as the default. One key troubleshooting tip: reinstall or update the TTS engine and Google app if the voice or commands behave inconsistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.